Today I'm going to talk about Blooket. You can find it for free at blooket.com. Blooket is a Quizlet game that is competitive and fun for kids. I'd say the level is understanding and remembering. It's similar to Kahoot with a bit more excitement. It would fall as edutainment. On my dashboard here are quizzes that I imported from Quizlet, a popular studying website. It's a flashcard website, very popular. I'm sure you've used it. If not, go check out Quizlet. Over here, I can also view my favorited pre-made Blookets. And if I can't find any here, I can look on Discover. So I have this here, and I can search, and I can use all of Quizlet as well. An added feature to Blooket that makes it different from Kahoot is that I can assign homework. Here are some fake assignments I made. I can assign them by sharing this link on Google Classroom or by email, and below I can see how they did on it. Once I host a Blooket game or assign a Blooket, there's a game that goes along with it. It's not just a quiz. There's a secondary game. You can choose from these different games to go along with your Blooket. As you can see, some of them say homework, some of them say host, and some of them say one or the other. So if it just says homework, this is a solo game. Crypto is a host game, which is can only be done live in the classroom. Kids love crypto. Cafe is one that can be done both ways. So if I want to assign homework, it's very easy. I can do my date and change the titles. There's a goal. I can click assign now, and it gives me a link to share. And again, same as before. When I want to host, this might look familiar. I want to host a game. It reminds me of Kahoot a bit, and it brings me up to this page. Next, I'm just going to show you how Cafe works. So these are the solo games I can play. I can carry on. I can start a new game. The goal of Cafe is to feed my guest at the restaurant, and if I answer the question wrong, I'm not able to make food. I need to get it right. Look, I have 3 now. Oh, jeez. Oh no. Not doing very well. Pressure is being added here. Okay. And now I can feed. So it's a pretty fun game for kids, not something to do every day, but kids do get really into it. It is good for helping people remember. And if there is only a few questions, they get asked multiple times, which I think is actually kind of helpful. So if you want to just learn a few, they can keep re-asking the same few, and eventually I think they'll stick. But thanks so much for listening, and I hope you check out more on Blooket and how it pairs with Quizlet really nicely. Very cool resource to have. Bye.